Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out something big, literally. It's the Xiaomi YU7, the brand's first all-electric SUV, and it's already turning heads. Let's dive in. The Xiaomi YU7 is bold, elegant, and futuristic. Measuring nearly 5 meters in length with a 3-meter wheelbase, it's a full-sized SUV that manages to look sporty and sleek. You've got flush door handles, a sleek front fascia with LED matrix headlights, and a horizontal LED light bar at the rear. It clearly takes design cues from high-end brands but keeps Xiaomi's minimalist identity. Step inside, and the YU7 feels like a digital lounge. It features a 16.1-inch center touchscreen running HyperOS, paired with a 56-inch AR head-up display projected onto the windshield. You also get a dedicated touchscreen for rear passengers. Perfect for entertainment or climate control, the interior uses soft leather, brushed aluminum, and Alcantara across the dash and doors. Seats are fully electric, heated, ventilated, and even offer a massage function. There's a custom Xiaomi sound system with 25 speakers and 7.1 surround support. Plenty of storage, wireless charging pads, and ambient RGB lighting bring modern luxury into every corner. It's more than just a cabin, it's a connected space designed for comfort and control. Now for the fun part, performance. The dual-motor version delivers 681 horsepower and does 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.2 seconds. That's supercar quick in an SUV arrangement. The 96 kilowatt per hour battery offers up to 770 kilometers, while the larger 101 kilowatt per hour version goes about 760 kilometers, CLTC rated. With 800-volt charging, you can get 620K of charge in just 15 minutes. Perfect for long road trips or a quick stop on the go. Let's talk price. The base YU7 starts around 250,000 yuan, about 30,800 euro 0 cents, or $35,000 0 cents. Top trims will reach 45,000 euro 0 cents. For that, you're getting luxury-level comfort, next-gen tech, and serious performance. If Xiaomi brings this to global markets, it could be a game changer. Would you consider driving one? Let us know in the comments. Hey, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more EV reviews, tech updates, and automotive news. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.